Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the basics fast. Drink 300 to 500 ml of water to restore blood volume and focus, then move for 2 to 5 minutes, a brisk walk or stretches, to shift circulation and wake muscles. Once done, set one clear 20 to 30-minute task so your brain has a narrow target. Doing these steps resets energy chemistry and reduces decision overhead. Make sure to time this window and commit without checking your phone. You now build a rhythm. Adopt a 25/5 or 50/10 cycle to force productive bursts and short recovery, which improves mitochondria signaling. While working, correct posture and have a small 100 to 150 kcal snack, combining carbohydrate and protein to stabilize glucose. This prevents mid-task slumps. Once settled, use bright light and 3 deep diaphragmatic breaths every cycle as cues to sustain alertness. These methods you finish by winding down. Take a 3 to 5 minute walk and gentle stretches to clear metabolites and signal task completion. Then assess. Write one note on what drained or boosted your energy so you can repeat gains and avoid triggers. If sluggishness persists despite this protocol, track sleep patterns, caffeine timing, and medications for 3 days. This helps identify chronic causes. Make sure to consult a clinician if severe fatigue continues. These steps improve most temporary sluggishness quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.